Axie limitlessness cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here for the most part will give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Axie limitlessness. The Axie limitlessness has in practically no time acquired sort of extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers generally are interested in looking through the inquiries like for the most part is Axie boundlessness a wise speculation, which really is genuinely huge. Is Axie worth purchasing in 2023, which essentially is genuinely critical? What will generally be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in a significant way? How high could Axie limitlessness at any point go? Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the Axie boundlessness expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to central past cost graphs, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness past value examination in a quite huge manner, as per the scarcely the most recent market information. Today the cost of Axie vastness is $9.16 and Axie fundamentally is at present position number 54 in the whole crypto market, which certainly is genuinely critical. The flow supply of Axie is 115,605,573 with a market cap of $1,058,494,914 in most recent 24 hours, in opposition to mainstream thinking, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie boundlessness cost has shown a decent increment of 7.43% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Axie endlessness was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 27.76%. Axie by and large has shown areas of strength for genuinely of potential, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and sort of put resources into an in every way that really matters, significant way. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 30 days, the cost of Axie truly has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, killing an incredible normal cost of $1.64 from its fundamentally current cost. This unexpected descending development certainly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, and it tends to be in every practical sense. Great purchase, a valuable open door for in every practical sense. Fast venture. The 90 days cost change by and large is around 25.24%, and the cost circled from a kind of least essentially normal worth of $6.37 to greatest in every practical sense. Normal worth of $7.13 in the especially beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Axie limitlessness certainly has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which basically is very critical, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Axie boundlessness is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin certainly is up by 21.72%, with the very greatest really normal cost of the coin basically was around $7.18, and the truly least lovely typical cost of generally was around $6.99, and especially beyond 4 months in a very large manner. Axie limitlessness value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future Axie cost expectations. Axie endlessness estimates by applying exceptionally profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of Axie boundlessness, or so they especially thought. We sort of do are actually awesome to gather genuinely greatest verifiable information for the Axie coin, which in a real sense incorporate commonly different elements like past value, market cap, volume, and sort of something else. Assuming that you for the most part are hoping to put resources into digital currency market, by and large make a point to peruse our expectations fundamentally. Axie endlessness value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Axie vastness in every way that really matters is supposed to fundamentally reach at a sort of least value level of $8.70, or so they explicitly thought. The Axie cost can generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $9.89, with the typical exchanging cost of $9.61, which for the most part is very critical. Axie vastness value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness by and large is in every practical sense anticipated to generally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $13.49. The Axie cost can arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $16.15, with the very normal exchanging cost of $13.97, which is very huge. Axie limitlessness value estimate 2025 to 2026. The cost of Axie vastness is by and large anticipated to in a real sense reach at an in every practical sense least degree of $19.79 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie endlessness cost can by and large arrive at a greatest degree of $23.87 with the essentially normal cost of $20.49 all through 2025 in a significant manner. The cost of Axie endlessness by and large is generally anticipated to reach at an in every practical sense least degree of $30.84 in 2026 amazingly. The Axie vastness cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $35.31 with the genuinely normal cost of $31.87 all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. Axie value expectation for 2027 Axie endlessness cost is gauged to in every way that really matters. Arrive at a kind of the least degree of $45.16 in 2027, or so they for the most part thought. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a truly greatest degree of $53.33 with the in every way that really matters normal gauge cost of $46.75, or so they explicitly thought. Axie value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Axie. In 2028, the cost of Axie endlessness is gauged to be at around a really least worth of $66.71, which is genuinely critical. The Axie limitlessness value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $78.55 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $68.58 in USD. Axie endlessness value expectation for 2029 the cost of one Axie vastness truly is supposed to in every practical sense reach at a really least degree of $101.86 in 2029, which explicitly is very huge. The Axie cost can by and large arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $118.66 with the typical cost of $104.60 all through 2029, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness value expectation estimate for 2030 according to the gauge and extremely profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Axie endlessness certainly is supposed to in a real sense reach at a truly least value worth of $148.25 amazingly. The Axie cost can arrive at a very most extreme value worth of $175.73 with the truly normal worth of $153.48. Axie boundlessness value expectation for 2031 the cost of Axie limitlessness by and large is supposed to truly reach at a really least worth of $214.71 in 2031, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Axie vastness cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $258.46 with the typical exchanging cost of $220.85 all through 2031 in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness value expectation for 2032 Axie limitlessness value sort of is gauged to basically arrive at a most reduced essentially conceivable degree of $312.97 in 2032, or so they in every practical sense thought. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a